Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. This is day number 242 of my 365 days of art, and I'm doing another painting, which it was a painting of a sketch that I did quite a while ago, so just painting over that. I made a few mistakes. Well, I've been doing a lot of mistakes lately. I forgot to press the record button when I was starting to paint it, and then only realized after I had painted his skin that I did not record the entire process. So, sorry about the noise. I decided to just record it anyway. My apologies for that. But yeah, the painting process wasn't that bad. I actually don't have much to say. There are days like this, but just wanted to record my voice for this video, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. It's good to see that I'm sort of progressing slowly and understanding color. I'm still not happy with the color scheme of this one, so I'll just continue to study some color theory and shading and all of that until I get my desired result. But anyway, that is all I'm gonna say in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you subscribe, more people will come to my channel. It's just how YouTube works. If you would like to comment your ideas and share them with me, feel free to do that. I would like to hear from you guys. And if you want to communicate with me more, I'm more active on my Instagram, and I tend to follow people back. If they tell me like, oh, I'm from YouTube or something like that, I try to follow back. So you can do that too, so I can check out your artwork or whatever your page is about. But anyway, that's all I can say today. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And that's all. Bye-bye.